Hi everyone, and welcome back to the final part of the Corsa build. So I've done all the hoovering. I've had a good wet back. I've been over it with the machine compounder with hard grit and fine grit too. I've got to polish and wax it afterwards and do the windows, but I'll walk you around it, show you where we are. It's looking pretty good. It's got a nice shine on it now, shining like a mirror basically. So I'll walk you around it. Sorry about the wind if there's any wind out there. And show you where we are. Then I'll take it back, do the final bits, do under the bonnet and stuff like that. And I'll take some photos and add them to the end. And that'll be the end of this one. And we've got a new project in, ready to start already. And that's not a Corsa this time. Right, let's get out and have a look. So as you can see, it's looking like a totally different car. It's got a lovely shine to it, mirror finish, no marks. Come a long way to that red and black thing that we picked up. All the screws and the bumpers, stickers and all sorts of stuff everywhere. Now looking pretty good. Well, it couldn't look any better if you tried, to be honest. The shine's lovely. It's hard to show in this light, but I think you're getting the idea. You can sort of see on the bonnet what sort of reflection we got. You can see the clouds and stuff. It's looking pretty good. Tyres are done, new set of trims, all the interior. It's all nice and tidy. I've got a new set of these to go on their way, so I'll be doing that as well. All the door cuds and stuff like that are done, all in the back's done. She's looking pretty nice. Right, so I'll go and get the final parts done. And then we'll do the photo shoot, ready to put her up for sale. I'll show you Legree. She's way better than where we started and how I bought it. If you remember, we had wheel bearing noises, we had Vauxhall stickers all over it. The bumpers had like red inserts in them and they'd all been screwed on. There weren't no bolt fixings on them. Front arches had no clips, they were all screwed on with screws. It was a bit of a mess, but not now. Now she's 100%. Got new battery, new alternator, new front screen, parts of the exhaust, 4 new tyres, Continentals. So they're good too. So yeah, she's ready to go. She drives absolutely lovely, nice and quiet. Spot on pretty much. Right, so let's go and get the final part done. We'll take some photos and we're done.